All right, y'all, I have turned off my camera for this one so that you can see everything on the whole screen because my picture was covering up some of it. So these problems should look familiar. You have worked problems like this before. The instructions say, find the mystery numbers. Explain how you know the answers. So the way that you're explaining the answer is just by writing the answer in the place value chart next to the arrow, okay? So A says, 10 more than 90 is blank. So we want to know 10 more than 90. You can write your answer, or you must write your answer in the place value chart here and on the line. So 10 more than 90 is blank. You'll write your answer here and here, okay? B says 10 less than 90 is blank. You'll write your answer here and here. C, 1 more than 90 is blank. Again, you'll write it in the place value chart and on the line. D says 1 less than 90 is blank. Make sure you write it both places on every problem.